In today's video, I'm going to teach you what the advanced board templates in Monday.com CRM are. Advanced board templates are pre-built CRM boards designed to help teams get started faster, especially when they manage more complex sales processes. These templates often include multiple groups, useful columns, built-in automations, dashboards, integrations, and different views. In other words, instead of building everything from scratch, you can begin with a structure that already supports sales pipelines, account management, customer follow-up, and longer sales cycles. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and open the workspace you want to use. Choosing the correct workspace matters because that's where your new board and all of its settings will be added. Once you're inside the workspace, click the plus icon. This is the starting point for creating something new. From there, select Template Center. The Template Center is where Monday.com organizes ready-made board setups, so it's the main place to explore advanced options without having to design every detail yourself. One of the first useful options you may see is the Contacts template. This template is helpful for organizing contact details, keeping track of relationships, and making sure your team has one place to manage customer or lead information. It's a strong starting point for businesses that want a cleaner contact database. Next, you may come across the Monday Projects Enterprise Product Template. This one is more focused on structured planning and coordination, which can be useful for teams that need to connect sales work with larger project delivery or internal operations. Another option is the Enterprise Marketer Product Template. This template is useful for marketing teams that need more advanced tracking for campaigns, deliverables, and collaboration. It helps bring visibility to marketing efforts that support the sales process. You may also see the Project Management Template. This is a flexible template for planning tasks, assigning ownership, setting timelines, and monitoring progress. It's a practical option when your CRM workflow overlaps with implementation or ongoing client work. The Real Estate CRM template is built for businesses that need to track properties, clients, deals, and follow-ups in a more specialized way. It gives real estate teams a more tailored board structure right away. There's also the Supporting Sales Materials template, which can help organize documents, presentations, and other resources used by your sales team. Keeping these materials in one place can save time and improve consistency. Another helpful option is the Marketing Activities template, which is designed to track campaigns, promotional tasks, and execution details so teams can stay aligned on outreach efforts. Finally, the Monday.com Basic Training template is useful for onboarding and learning. It can help teams understand workflows and get comfortable using the platform more effectively. After adding any template, remember that you can customize it to fit your exact process. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.